Welcome! In this video we are going to show you the features of a free web conferencing app called Tipicalls. Let's go! First, it has free unlimited recording for your meetings. Easy and anonymous login with just one click. A free personal meeting room for you with notes for your meetings. You can create, edit and delete tasks and comments for your team and also tag your team members inside the comments. You can schedule your meetings in Google Calendar or Outlook. Use the communication helper for participants and moderators during a call. If you want to feel close while being remote, enable the real-time presence. It feels like being on the office. Keep in mind that Tipicalls is completely free and is a pretty good all-in-one solution, so we hope that you find this suggestion helpful. We have left the link in the description. Also, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and check out our other related videos. Thanks for your time.